What if you could die today and wake up 100 years from now? It sounds like science fiction, but there's a real scientific field that's trying to make it possible. It's called cryonics, and the idea is simple. In theory, freeze a human body right after death and revive it in the future when medicine can cure what killed you. Cryonics isn't the same as freezing food. The human body is made mostly of water, and if you simply froze it, ice crystals would tear cells apart. That's why cryonic preservation uses a process called vitrification. Instead of forming ice, the body's water is replaced with special cryoprotectant chemicals that turn it into a glass-like state, preventing cellular damage. Once prepared, the body, or sometimes just the brain, is cooled to around minus 196 degrees Celsius in liquid nitrogen. At that temperature, biological processes stop completely, essentially pausing time for that person. Here's the catch. As of today, no human has ever been successfully revived from cryonic preservation. The science to reverse the process, warming the body without damaging it and repairing all the molecular damage, doesn't exist yet. It's a gamble based on the hope that future technology, perhaps nanomedicine or advanced tissue regeneration, will be able to fix what we can't. Critics say it's pure speculation. Supporters argue that even if the chances are tiny, it's better than zero, which is what you have once you're gone. Believe it or not, hundreds of people around the world have already chosen cryonics. Companies like Alcor and the Cryonics Institute in the U.S. store bodies and brains in massive steel tanks filled with liquid nitrogen. Some clients are wealthy tech entrepreneurs, but many are ordinary people who saved up for decades to afford the procedure, which can cost between $30,000 and $200,000. And it's not just science fiction fans. There are also cases of pets, like cats and dogs being cryopreserved with owners hoping to see them again in the far future. Will a frozen human ever be brought back to life? We don't know. The answer depends on breakthroughs in biology, neuroscience, and even quantum computing. But one thing is certain. The idea forces us to rethink what death really means, and whether our final goodbye might just be a very long pause. So if you could, would you take the leap and freeze yourself for the future? Or would you rather live and die in your own time? Subscribe to the Curious Edge for more exciting stories. Stay curious, stay on the edge.